open up the box. So I'll start by, actually these things peel off, that's handy, isn't it? Don't even have to faff about with sellotape on this occasion. Just follows down like that. Here's the big reveal. Wowzers. Power your dreams. Don't mind if I do. So there it is. Look at it. It's heavy. Yeah, it's really heavy. Much heavier than the Xbox Series S, as well as being larger. In here we have the usual gubbins, so HDMI cable, power cable, and a black controller with batteries. I believe here's a getting started guide, blah blah blah, telling you what's in the box, how to connect it, and about the app as well. There it is in English. Yeah, how to set it up using the app, which is simplifying things these days. Okay, let's take this off. It's got this protective kind of cover around it to stop it getting scratched, really, more than anything else, I think, because it's not exactly thick or padded. Wow. There we go. So I believe you can actually have these either standing vertically or horizontally. Personally, I don't know if I have space to stand mine vertically, but we shall have to see. It's what the thing that strikes me about this particular Xbox, it looks the most it's ever looked like an actual PC. Do you know what I mean? Just the way it's constructed. I suppose being black as well, but also just having the sort of, just being sort of square, like a block with all the kind of the ports on it. It just looks more like a PC than an Xbox has ever done before. Like this slightly sort of concave thing they've got going on with the ends, massive holes to help with the cooling presumably, and also looks stylish. And there of course is the Blu-ray drive as well, the disc drive. Let's have a little look. We've got 2 USB on the back. This is the storage expansion slot, Ethernet connector for hardwired connections, obviously where you put the power supply in, and an HDMI out as well. Very simple actually. All you need, I guess. You know, on the front we've got the power lights that will come on there, the indicator, the Blu-ray drive, as I say, the connect button to connect your devices, controllers, and another USB port there on the front. Look at that, just over 4 kilograms. I guess when you have one of these, you probably want to display it, don't you? Sort of almost let it take pride of place near the telly. So that's probably what I'll do. The Xbox Series X is considerably bigger. Not only is it heavier, it's about, slightly taller, just a couple of centimetres taller, about exactly the same sort of depth, but it must be probably 2.5 times the width, something like that. Yeah, so they're not very similar, and one's black and one's white. Yeah.